Welcome to the early input meeting presentation for Grouse Mountain's lift replacement project. We're excited to share the details of this transformational project, as well as the benefits to community residents, local businesses, and the District of North Vancouver. We'll begin by discussing the preliminary development application submitted to the District of North Vancouver and the development permit areas Grouse Mountain is seeking approval for. We will then go into an overview of the lift replacement project, followed by the positive impact this project will have for the community. In consultation with the District of North Vancouver, Grouse Mountain plans to build a world-class arrival and transportation experience, which will include replacing the existing Blue Tram infrastructure with a new gondola. Grouse Mountain is designated as Parks, Open Space, and Natural Areas in the official community plan, and the site zoning is Parks, Recreation, and Open Space. This preliminary application falls within the current OCP designation, and no zoning changes are proposed. As part of this preliminary application, Grouse Mountain is seeking approvals in the outlined development permit areas. Grouse Mountain is planning a transformative project to replace aging infrastructure with a new state-of-the-art world-class gondola that will significantly enhance guest experience at the mountain while providing safety redundancy and restoring lift capacity back to previous levels. In addition to the lift infrastructure, Grouse Mountain plans to update the base land facilities as well as add additional parking. The total planned investment for this project is $30 to $35 million. The Blue Tram was originally opened in 1966 and is nearing the end of its useful life. Currently, it is only used to transport freight and in case of emergencies. The Blue Tram infrastructure is to be replaced by a new gondola carrying 8 people per cabin at a capacity of 1,000 people per hour, which restores capacity back to original levels. Grouse Mountain has a long-term lease agreement with Metro Vancouver that includes the base land and tram easement areas. The 1,200 acres on the mountain plateau is privately held by the local family-owned Northland Properties, parent company of Grouse Mountain Resorts. The orange dotted line indicates the proposed alignment for the new gondola within the leased easement area. This alignment takes into consideration topographical constraints as well as guest circulation. The existing Blue Tram infrastructure will be removed to allow for the construction of the new gondola. Construction will not impact the current facilities on the mountaintop. The proposed base station will be located to the west of the Lower Red Tram terminal, allowing for the area to the east of the terminal to be updated with new base facilities and allow for a new drop-off zone for the free shuttle and tour bus access. The upper terminal location to the east of the Peak Chalet was selected taking into account guest circulation and ease of access to existing facilities. The proposed new lift structure will have 13 towers and 27 cabins, each cabin holding up to 8 people. Travel time from the base to the mountaintop will be 5.5 minutes. In contrast to a tram system, the gondola allows for continuous boarding, helping to reduce wait times. Here you see a sample view of the new gondola from the Grouse Grind Trail and from Capilano Road. The new gondola will be used in tandem with the existing red tram, which will reduce wait times and allow for greater turnover in the parking areas. As part of this project, the proposed updates to the base area will include revisions to the parking plan, adding 193 new parking stalls. Grouse Mountain will remain the North Shore's only mountain accessible via public transit. Grouse Mountain has engaged a number of industry experts in the development application process. For the gondola infrastructure, Grouse Mountain has entered into a preliminary agreement with Leitner Palma, an industry-leading aerial lift manufacturer. B.A. Blackwell and Associates conducted an environmental review, concluding that the overall impacts from this project are low and will not adversely affect the surrounding ecosystem. The proposed gondola alignment is located along the existing tram corridor and over previously disturbed areas. BGC Engineering conducted a geotechnical and geohazard review, and lift structures will be constructed according to their recommendations with hazard mitigation measures in place as needed. Ongoing assessment will be conducted to identify any future changes in risk. Once final project approvals are in place, construction will take 18 months with a projected gondola opening in December 2023. We believe this project will have significant benefits for community residents, local businesses, and the District of North Vancouver. In addition to enhancing guest experience at the mountain, providing important safety measures, restoring capacity, and delivering positive economic benefits, the lift replacement project also aligns with objectives in the District of North Vancouver Parks and Open Spaces Strategic Plan. This new gondola will significantly improve the overall guest experience at the mountain by addressing arrival, circulation, and guest flow. With both the new gondola and red tram in use, wait times and lineups will be drastically reduced. As guests are able to access and egress the mountain in a more timely manner, this will lead to greater parking turnover and efficiencies. This will be an extremely beneficial impact for all types of guests, including skiers, sightseers, restaurant guests, Grouse Mountain Regional Park visitors or hikers, as well as guests with accessibility requirements. Replacing the aging Blue Tram infrastructure with a new state-of-the-art world-class lift also provides important safety measures in both lift redundancy as well as speed and efficiency. It will also eliminate the need to close during the seasonal maintenance on the red tram. With only the red tram currently in use for guests, Grouse Mountain is operating at approximately 50% of original capacity. The new gondola capacity of 1,000 people per hour will return Grouse back to just above this original capacity at 1,900 people per hour. Grouse Mountain is a significant contributor to the North Vancouver community through both employment as well as economic benefit from visitor spending and charitable contributions. Upgrading the infrastructure at the mountain will support continued investment in our world-class experience, providing enhanced employment opportunities and continued economic benefit for the community. With upgraded lift infrastructure at the mountain, more people in the community will be able to access the outdoor recreation opportunities Grouse Mountain provides. This aligns with the district objectives of supporting and promoting a diverse, accessible, and sustainable range of outdoor experiences and activities for all those in the community. Thank you for your participation in this early input meeting. We are excited to embark on this next phase of Grouse Mountain's evolution to ensure we build a world-class experience that continues to benefit and serve our community for many years to come. Grouse Mountain has been an iconic and integral pillar of the North Vancouver community for many years, and we look forward to upgrading our facilities as we approach our 100-year anniversary. We welcome your questions and feedback and look forward to engaging with the community throughout this project. Please reach out to Robin Hay at the District of North Vancouver or to Kirsten Heel at Grouse Mountain. Thank you.